past tense verb. For example, I worked. This is the same for all pronouns. We can also make negative past simple sentences using did not plus present tense verb. For example, I did not work. This is also the same for all pronouns. Remember, it is common to use the contracted form with negative sentences. For example, I didn't work. They didn't work. We can also ask questions using past simple using did plus subject plus present tense verb. For example, did you work? It is important to remember when we use did, the verb is in the present tense. We do not say, I did not worked. When using the verb to be in past simple, we use was or were. For example, I was a student. Notice we use was for I, he, she, and it. And we use were for you, we, and they. We can also make negative past simple sentences by adding not. For example, I was not asleep. They were not asleep. We can use the contracted form when making negative sentences. For example, I wasn't asleep. They weren't asleep. Remember, we can use you for one person. For example, you were a student. Or more than one person. You were students. To make questions, was or were comes before the subject. For example, were you tired? Was she tired? Remember, when making positive past simple sentences, we use the past tense form of verbs. This usually means adding ed. There are also many irregular verbs. We must remember these. For example, the past tense of go is went. I went to the mall yesterday. The past tense of eat is ate. I ate breakfast this morning. The past tense of speak is spoke. I spoke to my friend last week. Now that we have looked at the use of past simple, let's practice what we have learned. Each sentence has a mistake. Pause the video and read the sentences. Try to correct the mistakes. Then return to the video to see the answers. Okay, let's have a look at the answers. For past simple sentences, we use did, not, do. We say, he didn't work yesterday. Remember, when we ask a question in past simple, we use the present form of the verb. We say, did you drive the car? In the next sentence, there is an irregular verb. The past form of speak is spoke, not speaked. They spoke to the manager. When we use the pronoun it, we use was, not were. It was hot last week. When we use the pronoun we use were, not was. We were asleep. In the final sentence, we have another irregular verb. The past form of drink is drank, not drinked.